February 21st, 2011. Looking at Laurel Canyon in Santa Teresa Park at the waterfall coming down Laurel Canyon. It's been a couple days since it rained. There's still plenty of water and the waterfall's flowing. This is visible from only one place, right under a blue oak on the Hidden Springs Trail, below the Muriel Wright Center. And this is the oak tree. And this is the Hidden Springs Trail. There's a parking lot at the Pueblo area. There's the falls. The end of the tree. Down here through this canyon is a nature trail, and there's another waterfall down below. And over here is the Santa Teresa Golf Course. And also we have snow on the Mount Hamilton Range. And there's Metcalf Road and Tulare Hill. And this is the Ohlone Trail. Here's Coyote Peak, Santa Teresa Park. This canyon down here is Laurel Canyon. And down here is a waterfall. The nature trail runs through the canyon here, comes out here by the golf course, and that's the Ohlone Trail along the hillside. And this is the Hidden Springs Trail, just pretty wet now. And here's a waterfall in Laurel Canyon, just to the left of the big blue oak tree. And you can see up there, that's the Hidden Springs Trail as it goes up to Coyote Peak.